Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to compare two great ETFs, VYM and VYMI. I'm going to focus on holdings, I'm going to compare expense ratio, I will look on a backtest, fund overlap, you will learn everything. Also, if you know any other ETFs, share it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to make a comparison. And also, if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, I created a course, you will find the link in the description. So let's start and let me give you everything what you need. Now, VYM, VYMI. You can clearly see that both are issued by Vanguard. Expense ratio 0.27, VYMI comparing to VYM 0.06. That means that it's much higher and it's an international high dividend yield field, and VYM is a high dividend yield field ETF. Now, that means that if you would invest $10,000, you would pay $27 fee here. I'll just lower my, like this. And on the other hand, here it's only $6 expense ratio. So that's much cheaper. Also, assets under management, VYM is much better comparing to VYMI. Now, also you can see in average daily volume is much higher in VYM. When we go further, number of holdings, you see 1,150 comparing to 411, VYM comparing to VYMI. So it's more diversified, but it really depends what kind of holding percentage they have, those stocks. So when we go further, we can clearly see that many times VYM was overperforming VYMI, and even 1 year, 5 years, in every regard, VYM performance was better. But of course, we are going to check the backtest together. Now, when you can see VYMI, you see financials, basic materials, energy, healthcare, consumer non-cyclicals, industrials, the segments here. On the other hand, here in VYM, you see financials, consumer non-cyclicals, healthcare, technology, industrials, etc. So both are similar, but you have energy and basic materials in VYMI. Now, when we go even further, you see what kind of companies they have. You see like Nestle, Toyota, AstraZeneca, Royal Bank of Canada, Siemens, Toronto Dominion Bank. Here you see JP Morgan, Home Depot, Bank of America, Pfizer, ExxonMobil Corporation. Now, when we go even further to the fund overlap, you see that they are not overlapping at all. Overlap by weight 0%. 0% of holdings are also in different one, 0% of holdings are in another one, so it's like nothing. And you see also the countries right here, so that's some important data too. Now when you look on a backtest, look at this. This is VYM versus VYMI, and you see that VYM was overperforming VYMI in the past when we check the past few years. And there wasn't a single, yes, 2017 was performed better by VYMI, but on the other hand, every other year was better on VYM. Now, when we check also the right here, the dividend yield, we could clearly see that, okay, of 2019, 2018 dividend yield on VYMI was good here. Stable was also VYM, and personally I just like VYM more, but maybe you like international high dividend yield and that's something that you're focusing on. But I wanted to show you, but really just take into consideration the higher expense ratio. That's kind of important, and that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. This was VYM versus VYMI. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.